Officials in Myanmar are finishing up their preparations for Sunday's controversial election. At this Yangon polling station, they're putting up voter lists and putting up the voting booths and setting up the voting machines that are being used for the very first time. The military seized power from the elected government almost 5 years ago, triggering an ongoing civil war. They say Sunday's vote will return the country to a democratic system. The opposition say that's absurd. The election, they say, allows for only one outcome: victory for a military-aligned party and the cementing of military control, albeit through a nominally civilian government. One thing to watch will be turnout. In the previous two elections, it was around 69%. The opposition has urged a boycott on Sunday. Will people support that call and stay home? Due to the ongoing civil war, this process will happen in 3 tranches, with many areas not involved because they are controlled by the military's opponents.